Hello, I am back with some hauls from Amazon and my monthly kit from Stop the Blur and the Stamp Society from Heidi Swapp. So from Amazon, I wanted to show you really quick this book called Creative Journaling, and that is for bullet journaling. So it gives you ideas of how to set up your pages. So I'm in page already 83, and it's a pretty good book. It goes all the way to 200 and something. 204, and then the resources in the back. So it's a pretty book to do layouts on your journaling, your bullet journaling book. So I'm gonna put some ideas on my book because I didn't look at any of the videos, so this will help me do a better job on my bullet journaling. So I'm going to put some of these ideas into play, hopefully after March, because I did do my bullet journaling all the way to March. So stay tuned for that. So this is a book from Renee Day, and it's called Creative Journaling. And yeah, she tells you what to use on all of the details that she uses. She tells you what color pens she uses it, and washi tape, everything she tells you. So it's kind of nice to do these creative journaling for my bullet journaling. Then I did pick up these little expansion little sequins. They're not sequins, they are to hold paper, and they're tiny. I didn't know it was that tiny. I needed bigger ones like this. Let me show you. Big ones like this to make these books. So this is my ideas books, and so it's supposed to be this big, but it's tiny. So I'll use this like for something else. And they do come with 50 of them, and I think it was cheap. That's why it was cheap, because it's the tiny ones. So I need to get the bigger ones. So that's from Amazon. And then I did pick up some different nail polish for my nails, and so far they are lasting. I just picked on them. They would last the 3 weeks like it says. So I picked up some new gel polish kit, and I believe this one is the Empower Love with Beetles, I think it's called. Yeah. Or is it Mermaid? I think it was the Mermaid. No, that's it. So it came in this box. Okay. So it comes like that. So you have 20 of them. It's 20 different, and it also has like glitter in them on these, and this one here. And then they have, and it does come with the foundation gel, and then top coat gel, and then another matte top coat. So you get the top coat regular that's shiny, and then the matte one, and then the foundation. So that's kind of cool. You get 20 of the nail polishes, and then you get again the foundation and the top coat. So that's nice. So because I really don't like that color, so I want to change it to a lighter color probably. And I think this one is just color gel. It's a little one. So they are little. They're not the same. as the set one that I use. So these are the colors that come in here, which I'm glad that it comes with its own case. So I could throw this away. So I really liked that gel kit that I bought. So I bought new nail polishes, or gel polish. And then I didn't stamp the Heidi Swapp because I just came from vacation and I wanted to get this video out. So I did buy a couple of things from her because it's free shipping. I mean, it's not free shipping. She puts it in your kit, and she doesn't add more shipping on it. So I did get this metal ruler that she has, and then I did get this rainbow die that she has, and then I picked up some sleeves because no longer she is going to have the sleeves on the kits, the stamps. So I did buy I think these are, the big one is 6x8 and this one is 4x6, I think. So I did buy 3 packets of that, and then 3 packets of the 6x8. So, and then this is the Stamp Society one, which has happy faces again, and it's all about candy bars or candy, because this one says chocolate just for you, something sweet. Did someone say chocolate? Life happens, chocolate helps. Never underestimate the power of chocolate. Celebrate chocolate, makes everything better, just a little treat. And then some alphas, and then it says enjoy, delicious, a heart. And then over here you could stamp the happy face with a color. So you could stamp it a color for the face, and then in black the happy face. And then this goes around the happy face. This one says everything's gonna be all right, you deserve chocolate, you are totally awesome, have a nice day. So that's kind of a cute stamp, and that is the Stamp Society. And then the Stop the Blur always comes in this case, and she always gives you the alphas, so, and some numbers. Let me open it really quick. So it is, yep, some alphas and some numbers, and then some stickers, colorful stickers, and then some more stickers. They look like the hole reinforcer stickers in there. And then a washi tape. Some little tags, different colors in here. So it's green, these are green. You get 4, then a mauve, another color, another color, and another color. So those are little tags, which I think this you could put in here, as you can see. You could put on top there. And then some little little pockets with some plastic on them. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors in here, which I think we could put this inside here. But I like that. And you get these little clipboards with the pages. So these little clipboards, put it like that. You get two the same colors and two the other colors, and then these 4 different colors for that. Then you get tiny, tiny little tags. With words on them. So this one says notable, goals, real life, oh, it's so hard to open, new, celebrate, happy day, hooray, congrats, January, priority, 2023, okay. So they are super tiny little tags. Let me put them in here before I lose them. And then the stamp, the little stamp. This one, she says she will provide the little plastic that comes in it. So this one is currently happening, celebrating, update, date, bad news, good news, and then this little tag, and then this little flag confetti. That is that stamp for the Stop the Blur. So that's it for this haul from my Amazon haul and my Heidi Swapp kits. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you follow me so that you won't miss out in future videos like this. And take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.